In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Play Store in BlueStacks. First, let's begin by opening BlueStacks. When you launch the application, you'll see a familiar interface that mimics an Android device. This environment allows you to run Android apps on your computer seamlessly. If it's your first time using BlueStacks, you may notice the layout is user-friendly. This makes it easy for anyone to navigate. Once you have BlueStacks open, you can proceed to the next step. Next, open System Apps and launch the Google Play Store. In the BlueStacks interface, look for the System Apps folder. This is typically located on the home screen. Clicking on it reveals several essential applications, including the Google Play Store. The Play Store is crucial because it allows you to download and update apps within BlueStacks. Once you click on the Google Play Store, it will open and display its main screen. This is where you can access all your favorite apps. Now, if prompted, sign into your Google account. If you have not set up your account yet, you will need to enter your email address and password. Signing in is important as it syncs your apps and preferences across devices. You may see a verification screen if you have two-factor authentication enabled. Follow the prompts to complete the sign-in process. Once logged in, you will be able to access all features of the Google Play Store. Once signed in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. This icon represents your Google account and is essential for accessing account settings. By clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear, showing various options related to your account. This step is vital because it leads you to the settings where you can manage updates and other preferences for your Google Play Store experience. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. The Settings menu contains important options that help you personalize your experience. Here you can adjust preferences, manage notifications, and check for updates. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with these options. You will find that knowing where to find updates makes managing your apps much easier. After that, click About. This section provides information about the current version of the Google Play Store you are using. It may also include details about the BlueStacks version. Knowing your current version is essential when checking for updates. It can save time and prevent confusion about whether you are using the latest version. Now select Play Store version. This option allows you to check if there is an update available for the Google Play Store. When you click on it, the system will check for any updates and notify you accordingly. If an update exists, this is your opportunity to ensure that your Play Store is up to date. Keeping your apps updated is key to enjoying the latest features and security enhancements. Finally, if an update is available, click Got It and wait for the Google Play Store to update automatically. This process may take a few moments. Once completed, you will see the updated version of the Google Play Store. If you do not see an update prompt, it means you are already using the latest version. If the update fails, restart BlueStacks and try again. This simple action can often resolve many issues. As a last resort, you can manually install the latest Google Play Store APK in BlueStacks. This method is useful if automatic updates aren't working. Remember, keeping your apps updated ensures a smooth and secure browsing experience. That's how you update the Google Play Store in BlueStacks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.